Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to run Selenium Java code in Eclipse. Open Eclipse, create a Maven project, and add Selenium plus WebDriver Manager to POM. XML. Create a Java class with a main method or JUnit test, import Selenium packages, and use WebDriver Manager to manage browser drivers. Write simple automation using Chrome driver, apply explicit weights, run tests from Eclipse, and confirm browser automation is working as expected. Start by confirming your JDK and Eclipse installation are ready and configured for Java. Create a Maven project and add Selenium and WebDriver Manager dependencies in POM. XML, then use Maven Update project to fetch libraries. Configure project JRE and compiler levels, and create the required package structure under src/main/java or src/test/java. Verify the project builds without errors before moving on to write a WebDriver setup using WebDriver Manager. Chrome driver. Setup, then instantiate Chrome driver and navigate to your target URL. Implement explicit weights and basic exception handling, and organize setup and teardown methods for each test to ensure clean closures. Run individual test classes as Java applications or execute suites with JUnit or TestNG from Eclipse. Monitor console output for errors, and capture screenshots or logs to help debug flaky automation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.